How does neuroinflammation affect Parkinson's disease? Neuroinflammation is a key player in the development and progression of Parkinson's disease. This condition is marked by the ongoing activation of immune cells in the brain, particularly microglia and astrocytes. When these cells are activated, they release substances that can lead to inflammation, which in turn contributes to the damage of dopamine-producing neurons in a crucial area of the brain known as the substantia nigra. This area is vital for controlling movement. At its core, Parkinson's disease involves the loss of these important neurons and the buildup of abnormal proteins called alpha-synuclein. These changes trigger an inflammatory response in the brain. The activated microglia and astrocytes produce pro-inflammatory molecules, including interleukin-1 beta, which create a harmful environment for neurons. This ongoing inflammation can cause more neuronal damage, leading to a cycle where inflammation and neuron death continuously feed into each other. Interestingly, it is not just the brain's immune cells that are involved. The immune system from outside the brain can also play a role in neuroinflammation related to Parkinson's disease. Immune cells can enter the brain and increase inflammation, further harming neurons. Factors such as genetics and environmental influences, including exposure to pesticides and infections, can worsen this inflammatory response. These interactions, along with age-related changes in the immune system, create a situation that can accelerate the progression of Parkinson's disease. Research shows that neuroinflammation is not just a side effect of Parkinson's disease, but an active contributor to its pathology. Inflammation markers are often found at higher levels in the blood and cerebrospinal fluid of individuals with Parkinson's disease, and these levels can correlate with the severity of the disease. Both types of immunity, innate and adaptive, seem to play a role in this process. Understanding how neuroinflammation affects Parkinson's disease opens up new avenues for treatment. Researchers are looking into ways to target inflammatory pathways and adjust immune responses as potential strategies to slow or even prevent the disease's progression. For example, some studies are exploring medications that can reduce the activation of microglia or block specific inflammatory molecules. However, these approaches are still in the research phase and are not yet part of standard care. In summary, neuroinflammation plays a significant role in Parkinson's disease by contributing to the loss of dopamine-producing neurons through the activation of both brain and peripheral immune responses. This inflammatory process interacts with genetic and environmental factors, making it a critical area for ongoing research aimed at finding effective treatments. It is essential for patients to follow established medical advice and consult healthcare professionals for personalized management of their condition.